So I have a new LiFePO battery from Green OG, and I'm using this one to power my cargo trailer or my shop, and it's been doing a great job keeping everything powered. Now, one of the biggest things that I love about these newer batteries, just besides them lasting a lot longer, is that they are less than half of the weight as these older marine deep cycle ones, and they just put out a lot more power overall. These ones are definitely heavy though. So like if you want to reduce weight on your travel trailers, swapping out, especially if you got 2 or more of these, will be a decent reduction of weight on your trailer. Now this one is a 12.8 volt, 100 amp hours, 1280 watt hours. So pretty much you're going to get 1280 watts if you set this up on an inverter. If you get a couple of these and you set it up in parallel, you can double that wattage. And then as you add more batteries, you can add more capacity for more bigger inverters. Now I'll go ahead and get it hooked up. I'll show you how I'm using it and what my plans are with it pretty much. Now if we step into my trailer, you'll see that I have a pretty basic setup going on here. We have the cables here to hook up to the battery, which I'll do here in just a second. I have a cutoff to cut off all power. We have our fuse. I use a fuse block. And then with the fuse block, we got a gain switch, which controls anything that I want to hook up in here that's 12 volts. And then we just installed our 100-watt solar panel, which also comes with a very, very basic charge controller. I will be swapping this out to a more advanced system, better monitoring and everything. I just haven't gotten around to being able to get one yet. You can easily attach your cables to these batteries. They come with these screw terminals. All right, and just like that, I now have power in my trailer, and this will run like 12 volt lights and stuff for days without a charge. And now I just added this solar panel with the small charge controller, which all you're gonna have to do is just add it right to it. And now that solar panel will keep it topped off where I don't ever have to worry about charging it anymore. But if you're looking for a really good battery that's going to be able to power stuff for quite a bit of time, whether it's going to be for a trailer, a trolling motor, a shed, whatever you want to use it for. Now, like I mentioned, I do have some plans. I'm going to be using this battery. I'd like to add a second battery eventually, and I'm just doing a full 12 volt system. I'm going to be doing a step-up converter for the Starlink. I'm also going to be doing a mini fridge. Everything's going to be on 12 volt, and my plan is to pretty much have this trailer 100% off-grid while it's still running Starlink 24/7 and a mini fridge. And still be able to charge and use all my lights and stuff. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.